Listen here. Another example. Calculate the number of particles in 0.1 mole of carbon atoms. Here we want to calculate the number of particles from given mole of carbon atoms. That equation we already know. What is the equation? Yes, we know the equation. Number of mole, that equal to given number of particles by Avogadro number of particles. Avogadro number of particles. Here, children, this is the equation to find out the number of mole. Here given the number, already given the mole, number of mole, we want to calculate the given number of particles with the help of number of mole and Avogadro number of particles. So that equation will be number of particles. Number of particles equal to number of mole into Avogadro number of particles. Avogadro number of particles. So it will be number of mole, that equal to 0.1 into Avogadro number of particles, that will be 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So it will become 0.022 into 10 raised to 22, not 23, because when we multiply with the 0.1, 0 will cut. So it will be 22. This much number of particles involving 0.1 mole of carbon atoms. Okay. Children, our third lesson over. From that lesson, we learned about law of chemical combinations. There are two laws. Law of conservation of mass and law of constant proportions. Then we went to Dalton's atomic theory. That is very important. You should learn all postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Then we learned about atoms, molecules and ions. The symbols of different atoms also we learned. From that, with the help of that symbols and valency of different atoms or elements, we learned to write how to write the chemical formulae of different compounds. And we learned the molecular mass and atomic mass. Finally, the concept mole. It is very important. Mole means it is a number. It is used to find out number of atoms, particles and ions. Then we learned two equations to find out the number of moles. First equation, when the mass of the substance is given, we are able to calculate the number of mole. That equation is number of mole equal to given mass by molar mass. Okay. Then second equation, that is used to when the number of particles and the Avogadro number, that we already know. So from that two details we can find out the number of mole. That equation is number of mole equal to given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. Okay, so children, you should read the textbook thoroughly, and if you have any doubt, you do clarify it and just go through the exercise of this lesson. We'll be discussing that within 2 or 3 days. Okay, you should prepare for it. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.